Hi, I'm Pradip Patel, and this is my MU2900 final prototype. It is an alarm clock that has two modes, a sun alarm and a math alarm. The sun alarm, the LED will go off when the alarm time goes off, and then the math alarm, the buzzer will go off and can be turned off when entered the correct answer into the serial monitor. You can set the current time by holding the first button, and let's say for demonstration purposes it's 0 minutes and 1 hour. So it's 1 o'clock. Then you can set the alarm time by holding the other two buttons inside. Let's say it is 1. And let's say the sun alarm. You can select the sun alarm. So alarm will go off at 1:01. Time is 1 o'clock right now. The LED should start off dim and it should become brighter within 10-15 seconds, and then can be turned off by pushing the second button. As you can see, the display says wake up. The LED starts off dim, and within a few seconds it should become a bright white. And there's the white. Now we can go in and press the second button to turn off the LED. And there it is. Now we can set the math alarm by the same process. And let's select math alarm this time. Now when the alarm goes off, a buzzer should go off, and then it should display two random numbers that will vary every time. And then once the user enters in the correct value into the computer, the buzzer should turn off. And there's the time.